Hi, I'm Tara Goggins with the National Weather Service, and I'm joined by Gary Crook from the Alabama Institute for the Deaf and Blind. Tropical storms and hurricanes are not a one-size-fits-all when it comes to the hazards they present, and they are not just a coastal problem. Remember, run from the water, hide from the wind. Hurricanes are rated on a scale of 1 to 5 using the Saffir-Simpson wind scale. The higher the sustained winds, the higher the rating. High winds from hurricanes can cause extensive damage, and it's not only about how strong the wind is, but what the wind is blowing around. Loose objects can turn into flying missiles during hurricanes, so make sure you are properly sheltered during the storm. Tropical storms and hurricanes also produce tornadoes in their outer rain bands. These tornadoes are especially common in the right front quadrant of the storm. Winds from a tropical storm or hurricane can push water onshore, known as storm surge. This significant rise in water is the greatest threat to life and property during a tropical storm or hurricane and can arrive well ahead of the storm. There are many factors that play into how high storm surge can get and how far it can spread. So don't simply focus on the category of the storm. Storm surge can also affect communities along bodies of water well inland, such as along bays, rivers, and estuaries. Water rises associated with storm surge can reach heights in excess of 20 feet and can span hundreds of miles of coastline. A majority of people base their need to evacuate on wind speed, but storm surge can be life-threatening regardless of wind speed. Storm surge is what officials use to determine who needs to evacuate. Remember, when officials say it's time to evacuate, go. Rip currents and rough seas are common before and after a hurricane, which makes swimming very dangerous. For your safety, it is best that you stay out of the water. Dangerous waves can pose a significant hazard to coastal residents and mariners. This includes beach erosion and damage to property, even when the storm is well offshore. Prolonged heavy rainfall is common with tropical storms and hurricanes, resulting in life-threatening flooding that can extend well inland and persist for days. Floodwaters can damage or destroy homes and wash out roadways. Floodwater can also carry away vehicles. Just 12 inches of water can carry away a small car. If you encounter a flooded roadway, turn around, don't drown. The National Hurricane Center includes all of these hazards in their forecast, which you can find at hurricanes.gov. Make sure you are prepared for anything a hurricane throws your way by being prepared. Visit weather.gov/safety/hurricane and ready.gov/hurricanes for more information.